I think it's the case of 2023. I know there's still 3 months to go, but I think it'll be remembered as a vintage year really for those magnificent 7 stocks. And for us, we think that the opportunities lie outside of those 7 stocks. So in my portfolio, I have exposure to Microsoft and Alphabet, but really the really exceptional, compelling opportunities lie in the mid and small cap part of the global equity markets. And of course, there are selective opportunities in emerging markets as well. So I'm currently overweight that space today, including Bank Itaú, Brazilian bank. I have a couple of Mexican airports exposures. I have an Indonesian bank named BTPS. And I'm sure you've heard of this little company, Taiwan Semiconductor. I also have exposure to copper via a Canadian-listed company named First Quantum with exposure in Panama and Zambia, long-life assets there. Copper, really a fantastic structural story, our favorite commodity, and that's a really pure play in that space.
I would lose my job if I didn't know TSMC, Anthony. But yeah, just wanted to get your sense in on the Magnificent Seven. You're looking at the numbers flash on your screen. I don't know whether you can take a look at it, but our wall is flashing the year-to-date performance of some of these majors, and what a run! The question is, can you build on it? Because part of it is the AI hype.
Yeah, it's really exceptional, isn't it? And in terms of AI exposure, I mentioned earlier Microsoft and Alphabet. I mean, we entered into a position in Alphabet after that famous demonstration of Bard earlier in the year, and we thought the share price had sold off based on sentiment, and that Alphabet or Google really weren't that far behind where Microsoft was. And in terms of Microsoft, the things that really matter there for us is the monetization of the 365 suite of products, or the Office suite of products, and the ability to push through price increases there. But of course, it's cloud computing business, which we see exceptional runway for growth. So in terms of our AI exposure, we have TSMC, Alphabet, Microsoft, but also Micron Technologies, one of the leading chip manufacturers in terms of CPUs and GPUs. But certainly a number of players in that space, including NVIDIA, really priced for perfection. And to date, they haven't disappointed. But for us, it's just too expensive to enter into. That's one that we've missed, but it's too expensive to enter into today with our investment process and philosophy.